Today, we're going to explore a story that's not about magic or heroes, but about something very real, very powerful, and very modern. Today's story is about artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Let's begin. Many people think artificial intelligence is something new, but the idea has existed for a very long time. Even thousands of years ago, people imagined machines that could think. In ancient Greece, there were stories of statues that could talk and move. They dreamed of objects that could learn and act like humans. But real progress began in the 20th century. In the 1950s, a man named Alan Turing asked a question that changed everything. He said, "Can machines think?" Turing was a brilliant mathematician. During World War II, he helped break secret codes. After the war, he began thinking about computers and intelligence. He created the Turing test, a way to check if a machine can think like a human. If you talk to a computer and you can't tell if it's a person or a machine, then it might be intelligent. That idea was the beginning of AI. In 1956, a group of scientists met at a university in the United States. They organized a conference and gave the idea a name: artificial intelligence. That was the official birth of the field. Their dream was simple: to build a machine that could think, learn, and solve problems just like people. In the beginning, things moved slowly. Computers were big, expensive, and not very smart. But researchers continued working. They created programs that could solve puzzles and play games like chess. In the 1990s, something amazing happened. A computer called Deep Blue beat the world champion in chess. The champion was Garry Kasparov, one of the greatest players in history. People were shocked. A machine had defeated a human in something that needed strategy, focus, and intelligence. That was just the beginning. After the year 2000, artificial intelligence began to grow faster. Why? Because of the internet, better computers, and something called data. Every time you send a message, watch a video, or search online, you create data. AI systems can use that data to learn and improve. Soon, AI was everywhere. Phones could understand your voice. Apps could translate languages. Maps could give directions using real-time traffic. And websites began recommending what to watch, what to buy, and even what to read, all using AI. One of the biggest breakthroughs came in 2016. A company called DeepMind built an AI called AlphaGo. It played a game called Go, which is even more complex than chess. AlphaGo beat the world champion. No one expected it. People realized AI was learning faster than anyone thought. Today, artificial intelligence helps in many areas. In healthcare, AI can read X-rays and help doctors find diseases. In business, AI can analyze data and make smart decisions. In cars, AI can help with driving, and someday, maybe drive all by itself. But AI is not only good. It also brings big questions. If a machine can think, what does that mean for jobs? Will people lose work? Can AI be fair and safe? Can we control what it learns? And what happens if a machine becomes smarter than a human? These are important questions. That's why many scientists, engineers, and even governments are working together. They want AI to grow in a way that helps people, not hurts them. AI is not magic. It's not a monster. It's a tool, a very powerful tool. And like any tool, it depends on how we use it. You are already living in the age of AI. When your phone unlocks with your face, when subtitles appear in real time, when your music app knows your favorite song, that's artificial intelligence working quietly in the background. In the future, AI may help solve big problems like climate change, healthcare, or world hunger. Or it may create new challenges. The truth is, we are still writing the story. But now you understand how it began. From ancient dreams to smartphones. From a question in 1950 to machines that speak and listen today. The history of AI is not just about technology. It's about people, ideas, and imagination. And the next chapter? That may be written by you. Thank you for learning with Easy Pace English. Go back, listen again, and speak along with the story. The more you repeat, the more fluent and confident you become. Learning English is not a race, it's a journey. See you in the next lesson.